I've really have embraced the IB philosophy in the elementary school. I think it's been wonderful. And I think one of the things that it's done is help bring the focus back to a lot more creative teaching. So it's not just rote learning, we're really creative. In the corner of my room, I call it Marty's Workshop. And when I'm sitting there and tinkering on different things, often teachers or teachers' aides will bring students, maybe a child that's been having a difficult day, into my classroom. And when they see me working, they are just drawn right to that. So any problem the child's been having immediately goes away. Using that hook to really get students interested, and I'm talking about all students from different backgrounds, to get them interested in math and science, and really get the creativity going with them. That type of experience happens all the time.